So you created your first animation and now you want to render it. In this tutorial I will show you how to render your animation in Cycles and Eevee, as well as showing you how to change the file format, change the file location your animation will be saved to, and change the frame rate of the project. In Blender, open your scene with your animation. This is my animation and character that I got from Mixamo. Go to Render Properties and make sure you've selected your wanted render engine. I'm going to be rendering with Eevee, but you can render with Cycles. Next, go to Output Properties and you can change your frame rate by pressing the box next to where it says frame rate. I'll be rendering in 30 frames per second. Now in the Output subheading, press the File button to change the file output. Finally, to change the file format, press the button that says PNG next to where it says File Format. Here you can select all the different file formats. If you select an image format, for example PNG, then each frame will be saved as an individual image, but if you save it as a movie file, then it will be saved in one file. To save the file as an MP4, select FFmpeg video, go to Encoding, and change the video codecs to MPEG-4. Now press Ctrl F12 to render your animation, or select the render button to render animation. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. If it helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any problems, leave a comment on the video and I will help you when I get a chance.